Wrong time and perfect spot, but I know my soul. I push till I break it up. Every little piece of me feels stuck. I'm trying any little thing to make this budge. Where do brittle beings in dirt lock? I'm flying. Can you stick it out? Can you stick it out? Cause I'm losing faith. 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 Tell me straight if we can wipe this slate and start again. Cause I'm losing faith. I'm losing faith. Out. Shuffle of this self-doubt for another day. I don't wanna do without it. I'm burned out, but I just can't say it out loud, so let's just pretend. Can we dance around it? Why do brittle beings in dirt lock? I'm flying. Can you stick it out? Cause I'm losing faith. I'm losing faith. I'm losing faith. I'm losing faith. I'm losing faith.
I really feel alone, even every hug with your arms around me. Maybe it's the drugs, I don't feel your touch and your love suffocates me. I don't feel at home when we talk on the phone, I'd rather be sleeping. I really feel alone, just blame it all on me, cause I must be healing. I don't wanna hurt you like that, not a myth but a fact. I need to get my life back. I promise you it's me, it's not you, not a myth but a fact. I don't wanna hurt you like that. Believe me when I say that leaving is the hardest thing that I ever had you do. Our love existed but as friends. The romance was dense and we couldn't comprehend. I don't wanna hurt you like that. Not a myth but a fact. I need to get my life back. I promise you it's me, it's not you. Not a myth but a fact. I don't wanna hurt you like that.
Run and jump to the other side. We can make that right. We won't fall, you and I. You know we can fly. Have all along. Don't prove me wrong. Tell me you won't let me down again. Don't let me down again. Fool me once, fool me twice. Two wrongs don't make a right. Run and jump, roll the dice. Please don't waste my time. Say what's on your mind. You know what's on mine. You know what I want you to say, so say it now. This war between us, I just wanna tear it down. Tell me you won't let me down again. Don't let me down again. Don't let me down, don't let me down again. Don't let me down, don't let me down. Let me give you something to feel good about. Good about. Good about. Good about. I can give you something to feel good about. Good about.
I spend more time in my own mind than my own life. Drowning in tears, swimming in a sea of our dreams. Yeah. I spend more time in my own mind than my own life. Wanting you here, yeah, but I only see you in my dreams. I'm better when I'm sleeping, yeah. I'm better when I'm sleeping. I'm better when I'm better when I'm sleeping. I'm better when I'm sleeping. And you only love me when I'm sleeping. I'm better when
All right, good morning, everyone. We're back. It's Monday. My voice is shot. Tired. But we're ready to make some money. My voice is like legit shot. It's bad. How we doing this morning, Mr. Decoy? Are we getting that bread and going to bed? That's what I would like to do. Today is 9/19, September 19th of 2022. Should be a relatively chill day. We have New York Fed 3-year inflation expectations at 11 a.m. EST. But that's like all we got going on right now. Yeah. Market looks to be doing some selling. All the way down to 38.60. Oh my goodness. Lower lows of the longer time frame. This just does not look good. Today does not look good. In my opinion, we could rip right off the bat. Well, let's see here. What do we want? I don't know if I want anything right now. Shorts only. Oh, that was loud. I apologize. That's on me, fam. Yeah, I'm not real sure I want anything right now. Let's look at Friday's levels. Maybe get them marked out on here. It's Monday, so we don't have. So what about the juice? 7. All right. I'm just marking out my hedge pressure and other levels from Friday, because I switched computers. Quantower doesn't auto switch. Like if you switch computers, your levels don't transfer. At least that I know of. No, that's just how it is, Mr. D. Boy, I'll see you when you get back. We'll miss you. I need one more time. Ugh. Hey, look, guys, I am crushed. Rushed. Yep. Flag. Okay. Alright, there's our important levels from Friday. See, stayed pretty solid. Oh, really? That's not cool. It's really dead. Oh, I'll be right back. Goodness gracious. Technical difficulties. BRB.
Thought I was ready, I took the loss. Walking unsteady, my
just here to have the time of my life, the time of my life, and make it last. I'm just here to laugh, leave the sadness behind, joy on my mind all the time. No, I won't waste a second, I won't waste a single minute. I'm just here to make the most of life, with happiness in me. So tell all the rain clouds to move along. The storms of this life can't take my happy song. The hurricanes will tread on a different place. It's joy in my heart, no one can take away. So tell all the rain clouds to move along. The storms of this life can't take my happy song. The hurricanes will tread on a different place. It's joy in my heart, no
We're back.
one can take away.
Wow. That was frustrating, but we found it. There's like no charger butts in my entire house. But after turning the whole house like upside down, I finally found one. And no data. That's awesome. Really loving Rhythmic right now. This is awesome. Oh my god, Rhythmic is making me so angry. I don't know why it's been so shit lately. I'm going to switch away from it because this is just unacceptable. It can't be doing this every single time I try to trade. Absolutely unacceptable. Oh, goodness gracious. Let's see if we can get this back on. I didn't remember me.
Tough morning.
I tell you what, tough morning. Oh, there it's back. Or we can't be having these type of problems. That's just ridiculous. Turn the music back down. We just can't be having these type of problems. This is just ridiculous. Like, it just consistently keeps like disconnecting and just like not connecting for a long time. And if you're in a trade or about to take a trade, that's detrimental to whatever you're trying to do. Absolutely detrimental. You know what I might do? I might write an email to Rhythmic support and Quant Tower support at the same time. I don't think the problem's Quant Tower because I don't have any disconnection issues with AMP, just Rhythmic. You just write them an email, be like, yo, WTF, this ain't chill. No chill, fam. Oh well. Can't let them crush my vibe. Because you guys know how it is. We are only about the vibe. Gotta get my coffee ready here. Get ourselves in a better mood. Tired. Grumpy. I need a nap. I did go to bed at a pretty decent time last night though. Like 10:30. 7.5 hours of sleep. Should be plenty. Should be. 12 is about the right amount of hours of sleep, though. Okay. I think you're ready, Mr. Coffee. I think you're ready. Way too much. Oh. Okay, coffee's made. Vibes are back. Absolutely delicious. Absolutely spectacular. Unlike Rhythmic. Rhythmic is not spectacular. Garbage. Mm. Mm. Alright, so what do we think we're doing here? Let's check out the daily on ES. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. That's not pretty. That's not pretty whatsoever. But like overall, there hasn't really been like great news that would really propel us forward. I think that's what we're waiting on. We got FOMC coming up again. And like every FOMC, like that's gonna decide what we do for the next freaking amount of time until the next FOMC. You know, like that kind of sets the tone. You know, are things looking positive or are things looking negative? This is futures. If things are looking negative, price is gonna go down because we expect the price of things to go down. If things for the future look positive, futures are gonna go up because that's how futures are. Futures are predicting the price of everything in the future. Maybe right now, news may look good or bad, but these guys are looking for is the future. You're buying the right to buy a contract or sell a contract at this price in the future. So, as Josh would say, protect the long term. I really just don't have anything I like for trades right now. I think we probably motor up to VWAP, but I'm not willing to take a trade on it. Not in this, not in a bear market. I would rather short VWAP. But I mean that's also a long ways up there. 15 points ES, but it's only 6:30. You know, we got an hour to chug up there. You could do it. I'm not gonna trade it. You know, the last like week or two, like normally this time frame like gives a pretty good trade opportunity, but man, it's been rough lately. So the VWAP would be target for now. But like I said, it's pretty sell-offy right now. I'm just saying VWAP because generally we like to open at the average price. But you know, when we're selling off like this hard, got a big gap like that, it's not, the vibes aren't there for taking longs. The coffee really helps my like shot throat right now. Maybe I'm getting COVID. That's the deal. Volume's right here though. Volume profile looks gross though. Kind of built down here though. I'm not totally against it. Too far off bottom for me to really be like, we're just right in the middle of stuff. I don't like it. Don't like it. And most importantly, overnight low is unfinished auction. That's gross. That means there's still people selling at the bottom. Okay, we still got people selling at the bottom, so that makes us assume we're gonna go lower. Which makes me want to short VWAP a lot. I really like the VWAP short. All of you should join Trade by Matt's Discord though. That's where I hang out most of the time during the day. So I really recommend that. Just look up Trades by Matt on YouTube. Then in one of his description, join that Discord. Small caps. Right now I'm just typing in there about taking the VWAP short. Sorry for sniffing into the mic. I apologize. I am sick and tired of being sick like every morning. It's driving me insane. Like every morning I wake up, my nose is just destroyed. I feel like poop. And then by like noon I feel fine, but like the first like 2 hours of the day is just like me having a massive head cold every day. It's terrible.
Got people checking on me, asking me if I'm okay. Appreciate it, but my answer is always the same. Tired of myself, I wish I could get out my brain. All these thoughts and these feelings are driving me insane. Wish I could do this, wish I could do that. Wish I could just wake up and focus without dealing with all the stress of existence. Feelings of enjoyment and excitement feel distant. I know I'm not alone, I just want someone to listen to the things I have to say, to the shit I have to deal with every night and through the day. But it doesn't help that I always push everyone away. My emotions keep on telling me that I'll only be safe in the dark. Keep it all in my heart, keep it inside and let it tear me apart. Every night I cry cause I don't know where to start. Even now as I try to let it out in my art. I've never had this kind of problem with my mental health. It's even gone as far as making me consider death. I don't think I'll ever do it, but the thoughts are there. No matter how much I deny it, I know people care. Every day I try to fight it, try to hide it, try to keep it to myself so I don't pull others inside it. It's not like I run from help, but that solution's really not it. Cause I still feel like I'm always the problem with or without it. I'm caught in a
Yeah, we're just chugging on up right now. It's gonna chug right up to VWAP. Could have longed it, could have, but it was a risky. It had been a risky boy. We're not about taking risk here. We're about taking high percentage setups. So if the setup's not 100%, if it's not an absolute banger, I ain't gonna take it. If I ain't gonna tell your grandma to take this trade, I ain't gonna. I don't know if we make it up to VWAP or not, but that's the spot I'm looking to short. That's the area I want. Anything below that probably won't short. But it's a waiting game, that's for sure. For sharks.
I've waited long enough and given up hope. Whoa, whoa. Takes a lot for me to break down my walls. Whoa. Every time you catch me say that I don't believe in love, you always try to change my mind. And even though my heart is cold, you're always there for me to hold. You never had a change of heart.
This honestly looks pretty good for a short, not gonna lie. Back to lows. Not gonna take it though. Just not gonna take it. I like the run up to VWAP too much to take the short right now. Because why would it make sense for me to front run, you know, where I want to get short? That's the hard thing. Like, man, this looks like a good short. Looks like it. But I really want to short VWAP. So it's just a tough call, but I'm just not gonna take it. This could crush all the way back down to lows. But whether I have to wait till open or what, just seeing how we've been so far below it, basically since, what is that, 7 p.m. last night? Maybe a little later, 10 p.m. last night. Since we practiced, that's 9 p.m. for me last night. We haven't touched VWAP since then, so like we're due for a touch. We got some buying going on. It's selling back off now. But yeah, I want it. I might wait till open and snag it. But we're gonna chill here. We're gonna chill here and wait, and we're gonna snag it. We'll snipe it. Gotta hunt it. We're hunting right now. I hate how my coffee gets so cold, so fast. Really makes me sad.
Different dreams between us and ocean. I look at the stars, you see the rising sun. Different roads with no one highway. Still happy for you for every bad day. And we'll never change la distance. Rien ne change.
Oh my goodness.
Malgré la distance, tu es toujours là. Rien ne change.
You know what's also pretty lame is it was like in the 70s the week before last week, and then for some reason all weekend it was like 110 degrees here in Kansas. I don't know what happened. Fall time, it's supposed to be nice, but it's like always on the days that you have off to go play outside is always like the worst weather. Always the worst weather. That's like when you're a kid too, you know, it'd be your snow days. You'd be so excited to go play in the snow, but it would snow while you're at school. And then by the time you got out of school, the sun would come out and then the snow would be all like mushy and watery and gross. You never got to play in the snow when the snow was like actually good. And then on the weekends, it wouldn't snow. It'd only snow only have the fun snow while you were at school. So then the weekends it'd just be like too wet and muddy to play outside. And then just be cold and windy. Kansas weather's tough. Tough. Now let's play with something here. Interesting.
Here's a dancing romance pop songs about love we can't resist. Girl, you know you make my heart throb. Here goes something just like this. Don't fall in love with me, baby.
I think that's the number we're gonna roll with for now. For power trades and Globex. Maybe start watching those a little bit. I like that. Put this over in my personal Discord as notes to myself. I keep like a whole bunch of notes in a personal Discord. And I guess I have a Discord with a couple other friends that also trade. We keep personal notes and stuff so we remember to like look at stuff or can kind of bounce some ideas off of each other. It's really not wanting to blast here. We're kind of wedging up, aren't we? We're really wedging it out. We're a wedgy boy. A wedger. Gredger. Look at that. Look at. Ooh, need another bottom point before I can draw a trend line. Break above this little line here, then we're for sure going to VWAP. But until then, it might break down below. But like I said, I'm not taking the short until we get to VWAP. I will wait till open if I have to. Game's about patience, about nailing these entries. Got a friend I haven't seen on Discord in a while, in Trades by Matt's Discord. I'm gonna send him a message, make sure he's alive. You always gotta keep an eye out for the homies, you know? Never know what someone's going through, whatnot. Where the homies at? Here he is. Yeah, I'm just going through all my old convos, making sure everyone's doing alright. Oh, it looks like we're starting to break above. We're starting to break above. Can we do it? This is either a great short opportunity or a long, I'm going to say long opportunity right here. Love this thing. Hug it. Hug it to VWAP so I can short it. Yeah, so let's take a look at Friday, shall we? We haven't taken a look at Friday yet. Go 30-minute chart. Actually, let's pull up a different chart. Let's pull up a different chart. Ooh, she rejected that line. That's tough. That's tough. We might not get our view up short. There we go. Now let's look at this. Let's okay. Do the 5-minute chart, 1 month. Works. 9:15. What was Friday? Friday was the 16th. So let's go find the 16th. 8:30 on 16. It was such a gnarly day, right? Like, look at this. Zero trend here. It just chopped around pretty hard. So that was a good day to avoid. I got a couple trades in, but it wasn't nothing of a bagger day, you know? Like, I spent last week pretty much all trading MES, not really even trading full contracts at all. I tried to kind of avoid it just because, like, most last week was like this. You know, it was tough. It was a gross week. Contract rollover, all sorts of different news. Just nasty. We opened and just threw up a bunch of candles like this. Makes it pretty easy to get chopped around in the morning. Got a big rip into a massive selly boy. Altogether, just gross. Like, look at these reversal candles. Every 5-minute candle was a reversal candle. Like, that sucks. That's the worst stuff to trade. Followed just by a pretty end of day rally. We rejected that line. We rejected it pretty good. I'm gonna put this. This is my. I'll look at this other time chart. Oh, sorry for sniffing. I apologize.
And I wish me the best, but I just think I'm missing a voice and skills. I must confess, I'm speaking in English, but I'm just French. I would like to speak better, add a better fine rhyme to my letter on time like a watchmaker. You can lie, you can try, but you'd like to leave this feeling. We got to breathe, to dig, to live the life we are dreaming. It could go wrong, but I'm just a nest. You must be lonely, but you could be crazy if you keep looking down.
I'm getting concerned about Decoy. He's been gone for a while. I bet he's taking his kids to school at this point in time now. So maybe I'm not as concerned. He'll be back in like 10 minutes. Yes, he still takes his kids to school every morning. I'm not really sure what he does exactly, but I know he's like Mr. Boss. Like he goes out and he yells at people, tells people what they're doing. Ooh, kind of bouncing off that power trade there. Am I interested in taking this? No. No. I mean, it's gonna rip now that I said that. The risk factor would have been 6. Honestly, I could have taken it. That's within my risk tolerance. But like I said, bottom is unfinished auction, and I'm just not interested in taking longs with that around. Like, while this unfinished auction is showing, I'm kind of not vibing with longs. I'm looking for shorts while that's appearing, because the top overnight high is good. See, we're good. We're good up there. It's finished. So now I'm looking for this to be complete before we make like a legit move back up. So while this is appearing, I'm assuming we have further down to go. So I'd rather position myself better for the short back down to that level. So now it's more just waiting for a really good short opportunity and avoiding getting myself caught in this eventual grind down. Just better risk reward. Oops, I hit a button. I think we're okay though. I don't think I put a trade in. Dude, I'm not gonna lie. So I used to trade with, I used to use Thinkorswim while also working in Excel. And Thinkorswim has hotkeys, right? So all trading platforms have hotkeys, but like I was primarily using Thinkorswim at the time. This was a few years ago. Don't use Thinkorswim, by the way. The commissions are super high. But I was working in Excel with Thinkorswim in the background. I didn't realize it, but I kept hotkeying trades for like an hour. And I came back. I had lost like $500. I was devastated. I was like, oh my goodness, no. I'm lucky it wasn't worse. But I think I had like Microsoft open in the background. And I just kept hotkeying buy, sell, with Microsoft. And I had my volume turned off. So like I wasn't even hearing the orders go through. And then I go to check the chart. And I was like, oh my gosh, no. So yeah, ever since then I turn I have to make sure I turn hotkeys off all the time. What's up, Keith? Is this Chief Keith? Chief Keith? If so, that's clever. I like that. I like that a lot. How are we doing this morning? Are we ready to, it is, my man, what's up? How are we vibing this morning? Are we ready for a great day in the markets? It should be a much more chill week this week. We don't have all the gross like rollover and news events. So we should have some better moves. Right now I'm currently waiting on this kind of line to break above, and then we'll charge up to VWAP, and then I'll get short. There it goes, finally. Now run up there so I can short. FOMC Wednesday. Is FOMC this week? I thought it was next week. Let's look at this. I've been planning my whole week as if FOMC was next week. September 20th and 21st. Well, I'll be darned. FOMC is Wednesday. Okay, this week's gonna be wild. I'll trade Monday and Tuesday for sure. Yeah, you're right. It's the 21st. I'm an idiot. I thought it was next week. Had my whole week planned for FOMC being next week. Okay. Today and tomorrow should still be yeah, today and tomorrow should still be okay though, but Wednesday, I probably won't trade Wednesday till after FOMC. Because generally that whole like morning of FOMC is pretty I guess it's pretty rangy. Like you could trade a range generally, but I either work my way to break even pre-FOMC or like barely any profit, like not enough to be worth the stress. So I'd rather just wait for FOMC to be over, then I'll throw some MES on whatever I think the move. You know, we'll get that like initial move, like the first 15 minutes, and then I'll start getting long or short based on like what I really think should happen. So what is this? 'Sorry, I got a guy messaging me here. I need to reply. But right now we're just waiting. I'm not taking any longs until we finish this. We got an unfinished auction down here at overnight lows. See, we still got some sellers going on. The greens are unfinished auctions. The white are finished auctions. Overnight high is a finished auction, so we're chilling on that. The overnight highs, finished auctions, so we're chilling there. So what I'm waiting on is a really good opportunity to short and position myself short for the charge back to overnight lows. So right now just chilling. Like I said, I'm gonna pretty much looking at VWAP for the short, maybe 38.80. I wouldn't mind a 38.80 short as well. Probably take a stab at VWAP and then take a stab at 38.80. I'll be light though, it's pre-market. That's what I want. We've been kind of gauging this thing all morning, trying to figure out how we want to play it, but I think that's what I want to do. I want to target overnight low, fix that unfinished auction, and then go from there. One trade at a time, but that's my idea right now. That 38.80 area is that also that prior consolidation zone, so like rejecting that would be a good situation as well for the short. Like we're looking at the short.
Seeking what's not meant to be mine, far and wide. Until the ground falls.
38.86. Be on your list for shorts. I have, yeah, I have that little area too. I have like, what is that top of? That's kind of the top of that previous consolidation zone as well. I have 38.80 through 85. That's kind of my zone. I'm on a different computer right now, so I don't have all my zones marked out on this one. Line in the sand. I'd agree. Like breaking above this consolidation zone here, which is also a prior consolidation zone over here. Like let's mark this out. Like this whole little sexy yum yum zone. That right there. That zone is really what I'm watching for line in the sand. It also lines up with my prior doomsday level. But yeah, this is what I'm really interested in. That yellow, for sure. Which lines up with what you got too. I'll be looking for shorts. Like I said, I'm gonna take my first attempt at VWAP. I'll be light, so I'll afford the risk. And then at 38.80, depending on when we hit it. You know, if we hit it right on open, I'm probably not gonna play it because I don't play like the first 15 minutes. It always sucks when you start your day red, and you know you don't want to blow your account 30 minutes into open. We've all done that. Got the whole day to trade, so I'll probably miss it if we hit it right at open. But if we hit it maybe a little, yeah, step one for sure. Step one, don't lose money. Step two, make money. But you can't do step two unless you do step one. That's the motto right there. But yeah, if we're in this zone right at open, I'll miss it because open can be so volatile. We could wick up, you know, to 4K. So I just like to take the risk off. You know, I don't like to get too wild. If I do ever play open, I play it light, like 1 or 2 MES, maybe a little more depending on how much I like the zone. But I don't like this zone enough to get heavy with it at open. Like, I like it, and I will be shorting it, and just not at that point in time. But yeah, I was looking at this, and it really, we've been pretty far below. We haven't had a VWAP test all night long. So we're due. Like I said, when we get there, I'm gonna short that. I'm gonna short that thing. No, I'm not gonna stream at RTA. I won't stream while Matt streams. I wouldn't do that to Matt. I like Matt. I stream every day pre-market, 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. CST, so like Central Standard Time. So I'll stream every day before market opens for 2 hours. We'll go over previous day moves, coming up news, what we're looking for during the day, maybe throw on a few pre-market trades, and talk about any other like we can just sit here and talk trading all morning. There's no rules, right? We could talk about setups, strats, levels. Hell yeah, for sure be here Wednesday. So I'll be here every day that market's open. I'll be streaming in the morning. We can all hang out, talk trades, talk setups, make our own lists together. That's kind of the vibe here. And then some days I might stream like in the evenings. But as far as like streaming RTH, I know Matt's usually done around like 10:30 in the morning. But at that time of day, I'm usually hit or miss with being at my computer. So I probably won't stream most days like during RTH, but I'll be streaming pre-market, some days post-market, or at least throw the chart ups post-market, kind of watch stuff. But I mean, during RTH, you can always catch me in the Discord, Matt's Discord. That's where I'm hanging out there like all day, so. Alright, we'll see you, big dog. We'll see you later. I also had to do as a friend on Xbox, so we can vibe now. I just saw that. I haven't been on my Xbox in like 2 months, so now that I'm PC gang. But I added you. I got the Xbox app. We can vibe. We can play games. And it looks like we're starting to sell back off. It's a real bummer. I really wanted to charge up to VWAP. Get short. If we do fill that overnight low, I might look for a long, just because we're so overextended to the downside. Fill that unfinished auction, boy. That's what we're looking for. Longs 38, 33. See, that's so, we haven't hit that level in so long. I don't even have levels down here. I need to like get the daily chart out. Start looking. 38, 33. This whole area was so gross. I really don't have anything. Like, I remember this. It was so volatile down here. Nothing that really excites me. 38, 33. I kind of see what you're looking at. The whole zone is like really big. I don't have anything that I'm super 3800 obvious. This area is historically super full zone. Been pretty gross in the past. It's a good time to be careful, be light, that's for sure. We're trending down. I'll know once market opens. I'll have my levels posted. I'll have a better idea of what I plan on doing. We'll see you, big dog. You have a fantastic day. I'll have a better idea of like what I want to do trade wise. But we'll keep an eye out. Decoy is back. It's okay. Keith was hanging out with me while you were gone. How are the kiddos? Did you get them dropped off? Are the kiddos good? Actually, more importantly, Decoy, how is Greg? How is Greg doing? Oh, so we're supporting this line a little bit. Supporting this line. I just need us to chug up there. Chug up there to be able to fucking short. Yeah, I bet he's happy though. Getting your paycheck, that's nice. That's nice. Right now, I'm currently waiting on test of VWAP. I think we chug up VWAP, then I'll get short. I also like the pull up my 30-minute chart. I also really like this previous consolidation zone around 3880 to 3885. I will be shorting VWAP, and then I'll be shorting that 38.80 to 85 zone. Profit target idea, yeah. Like that's kind of the plan here. The only problem is I need an opportunity to get short. I need a good spot that I like. I don't like where we're at right now. It's kind of gross. Oh, the power trade. My bad. Oh, I had a profit target idea too. I'm a little upset that you didn't like that one. But yeah, the power trade idea for Globex. You can see, I don't know. I'll have to play with it some Globex mornings. It might be a thing where like we'll get on and we'll mess with the settings just to see where the volume was at that day. Might be a thing where it changes. But it's the volume's considerably less in Globex. You hate any profit target idea that doesn't beat Goose? That's a big one though. That's a tall order. And we have not been in a real trendy market. Too many reversals, too many coming back to my entries. That's the tough thing. Like when I did that one big trade, like it went away from my entry and then it just like never came back, which was nice. Or I got far enough away right away that I wasn't concerned. Man, we are really making the decision right here. Look at this. Really flipping back and forth. I think it was a 3-day trade. I think I held it for 3 or 4 days, I believe. Maybe longer. Because I did it, and then it sold off the next day, and I was still holding it. And then we had FOMC, and it came back almost to my profit stop. I had like a stop in profit at like 100 points or something, and then it barely skimmed under that and didn't hit it, and then it dumped again like the next day. And I don't remember if I held it for a day after that or not, but I held it to my long-term target, because right before FOMC I think we were like 200 points right above my target, and I was like, all right, we're gonna get it. And then it ripped, and I was like, oh no. But it was like not like a lot of leverage at all, so I was chilling. Like, I mean, it was still a lot of money that was on the table, but it was one of those things that like I could make that in like 2 days, so I wasn't super worried. Dude, that CPI dump was wild though. That was like 1 minute, it dumped 100 points. That was absolutely insane. I haven't seen it do that in a while. Yeah, that was wild, especially with CPI. Getting that wild. That was a pretty gnar situation. It was an insane day. I honestly, I don't like, while I like volatility, I don't like days like that, because it makes it really hard to get a solid entry and not have to widen your stop. And then we got FOMC this week. I like this little curve that we got going on right here. How we keep close. I like that a lot. For the move up. Yeah, and then we have FOMC Wednesday. So I'll probably trade Monday and Tuesday, and then I probably won't trade Wednesday until after FOMC. Yeah, it's just that's those types of days are so tough. I think the toughest days are the days where your first trade is red. Because then the rest of the day, you're just trying to make up for that, you know? I hate, if you start off green, like, it feels like it's so much easier to trade throughout the day. But that's also could just be me, because I'm a mental nutcase. I'm a goose. I'm a goose. But I need this thing to chug. Chug, chug, chug. Go up. Get that VWAP. Give me this short opportunity. At the rate it's going though, probably won't get this till like RTH open. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think we're gonna get this test that I wanted. I bet we're kind of gonna fluff around and then go hit that at open. I'm gonna have to short at open. I don't know. I don't really want to play. I don't want to play this zone that bad at open. I might hit a light maybe, but overnight low, unfinished auction, and I don't even. The low, those historical lows, or like the bottom of every move, like over 90% of the time is made during RTH. So I would expect us to go lower. I wouldn't expect, you know, the generational low to be during Globex. People are gonna want that. So I 100% expect us to go lower than Globex yet today. So I'm short biased for now. Even if we do rip, I'll still be thinking like, hey, we got lower to go. Like I don't like the low. The low is gross. But I mean, it's done that to a couple times though, right? Like we've had a couple like generational lows that were garbage, so we're like, I can't be super long biased because I think we go back and fill that, and then we did. Like 2 days later, we went back and filled it. Like very rarely do we ever have a generational low that's ugly, you know. So you can go back and look at almost all the lows. They're finished, and we rip hard. And generally, there's like a lot of consolidation at the low too. So some form of consolidation where you see the orders piling in, unless it's one of those situations where just one massive guy comes in, changes the whole market scene. But yeah, short biased for today until that low is repaired. That's what we're looking for. The only problem is finding an entry. Like I said, I like the VWAP idea, and I like that 38, 80, 85 idea for entries. That's all I really got entry-wise. I mean, if we go higher, I'm going to have to do some looking. But that 38, 80 to 85 is kind of my line in the sand. You can see this previous console zone. That's what I'm watching right now, at least. Right? Yeah, I was watching this. I drew it probably like right when we made this peak. I was like, let's see what we do here. We came up, and I really thought we were gonna break above right here and charge the VWAP, but then it rejected pretty hard. Came back up, then it finally broke up above. Yeah, it's hard to take the long. I wasn't gonna take it. Like I said, with this unfinished auction at the bottom, I was more or less. It was keeping me out of this long, I guess I could say. I'm just waiting on it to get to a level that I really want to short, and then we're gonna short that thing down to that unfinished auction. We're gonna short it hard. We're gonna short it heavy. I'll probably take VWAP pretty light, but 38.80, I'm shorting that one pretty hard. I'll be aggro unless, like I said, if it's in the first like 5 minutes of open though, I probably won't hit it hard. I'll hit it light. Cause I don't, it sucks. I don't want to, you know, wreck myself in the first 5 minutes of market. That makes the whole day pretty tough. Especially when most of my trading is based off opening range. So we'll be patient. Gonna write down my plan here. Write down my plan. We'll take a stab short. I don't know if it matters to you, but you can right click your chart view, high low. Can I really? Where do I go? Is it in indicators? View chart view. Oh, view. Oh my goodness gracious. Ridiculous. Could have been that easy the whole time. So many little tricks in here. Oh my goodness. Price range. That's nice. Thanks, Decoy. I appreciate you once again coming in clutch. Those little things like that matter. Little things matter. Yeah, I want this. I want this. I want this short. Inject this little console zone. And you on down. That's what I'm looking. If not, I'll take another stab short around 3,900-ish in that last pre-console zone. Pretty much all short thoughts today. Unless open hedge pressure and doomsday levels completely disagree with me. If they completely disagree and tell me to long, then boy howdy, we'll start getting long. But like I said, right now I don't like bottom. I don't like the overnight low. But it's a good possibility that we rip. It is a good possibility that we rip. I'm just not real confident in it. And I'd rather short down to that target than long up to where I want to short. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah. It's a game of patience. Game of waiting. Bye, I love you. Have a good day at work. Yeah, it's gonna make me wait till open. We're just chilling right here in the middle. Oh, that's tough. Yeah, that's what I will be doing. I will be, unless like I said, at open, I'll be a little bit more cautious. I'm gonna be at 38.80, 38.85. That's what we watching. That's what we watching. What we vibing to. There we're getting some rippage. There we're getting some rippage. Go, 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 go. We're getting there. We're getting there. We might get our shot. We might get our shot. Running out of time though. Gonna have to go here in about 10 minutes. Let's see what we can get. Let's see what we can get. Mm.
I see my feelings so true, but am I blinded by you? By you. Made it all the way through, but am I blinded by you? By you.
Well, I don't think I'm going to get the trade that I want until open. We're getting too close to that time. Like I said, I don't like trading between 8, 8:30, that 30 minutes before open. It's kind of gross right in that time frame. I don't think I'm going to get my VWAP test in time to take it. So I'm going to have to wait till market open to get something really good. Like I said, I will be short in 38.80. I wouldn't copy that trade. I get wrecked. But that's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm gonna look for. We'll see what we can get. Maybe it goes right now. Maybe. Maybe. Yeah, no, it's not gonna do it. Come on. Getting close. Need you to do it. Need Shia LaBeouf going. Do it. Insert that GIF right here. GIF. Yep, okay. I'll shut her off. She's not doing what I want. I'm gonna have to wait till open. Like I said, short bias until overnight. Just taken out, even if it rips, unless edge pressure and doomsday levels completely disagree. Unless that happens, I will be targeting short. If you want to talk to me more throughout the day, I'll be in Trades by Matt's Discord. Go check it out. Be hanging out there pretty much all day. So we'll catch you guys tomorrow, same time, 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. CST, every single day, Monday through Friday. Not on weekends though, because I'm doing fun stuff. So GG Decoy, GG all the fam. We will catch you guys tomorrow. Have a fantastic day. Don't get wrecked on a Monday. Take it safe. We'll see you tomorrow.